Don't wait till you're this age para matuloy ang road trip. Watch till the end kung saan sila napadpad. First stop, Namakpakan Church to thank the Lord na natuloy na after how many years. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang snack break, ice cream, pampalamig at sugar boost para sa photo op sa bahay na bato at Pebble Beach. Then they went to 𝗠𝗆 River Farm for lunch. Think spicy shrimps, inihaw na isda at fresh buko juice na literal na nasa bao pa. After that, they headed to a hidden gem they discovered. Here's the best part, it's an 18-minute drive from 𝗠𝗆 River Farm. Depende sa bilis ng nagdadrive. As soon as they entered balaynimanuelkenmaria Boutique Hotel, they felt nostalgic. Every corner is designed with a touch of traditional Filipino culture like when they were younger but with modern comfort. When they stepped into the cozy rooms, a cool breeze from the AC hits them, and they rested on those comfy beds with soft linens and warm blankets. The next morning, they climbed the steps to the 4th floor rooftop dining hall and enjoyed their breakfast and freshly brewed coffee while watching the sunrise. Oo, ganun sila kaaga nagising. What are you waiting for? Kung sila nga natuloy dito, ikaw pa kaya na mas bagets? Book now before the moments pass you by and the rooms are gone. 63918-948-4391 or visit us at 2 Almeida Street, Tanqui, San Fernando, La Union.